Hey, this is John with the Utopia Experience. So today we're going to be talking about affordable medical treatments here in Guatemala and the benefits and why you would want to come to Guatemala to have any medical treatments done. So if this sounds interesting to you, please stick around. So today's video, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about medical treatments here in Guatemala and why you would opt to come to Guatemala to get anything done. Like I said, everything from rejuvenative stem cell therapy, dental work, knee replacements, hip replacements, cosmetic surgery. Really, the sky's the limit. They have great medical facilities here in Guatemala. In Zone 10, wonderful hotels, and really top of the notch, first class medical facilities here in Guatemala. And you're going to pay a fraction of the price that you do in any first world country. You know, if you're lucky enough to live in a country that has free medical care, great, you know, amazing, good for you. But, you know, if you're, you know, unfortunate and you live in a place like the States and you pay these crazy deductibles or you just don't have insurance, and Guatemala is a great option to come to get medical treatments done. Just to give you an example, like on myself, I had a lot of dental work done a few months ago. I had 2 crowns, actually two full caps, not crowns, like, yeah, I guess it's a crown. Two crowns or full caps on 2 teeth, 1 implant, and a root canal. That whole procedure cost me $750 US dollars over a period of about 3 days. I had to go back and they had to take some molds and some different things. But it was really fast and painless. I've gone to a lot of dentists in my life, and this was by far, there was 0 pain, and it was a root canal. I was like freaking out, like, oh my God, this is going to be a nightmare. And it was really completely painless. It was amazing. The facility was so clean. There was video monitors. You could actually watch everything he was doing if you wanted to. Like, he was like drilling, and I could watch exactly what he was doing in my mouth. I was like, this is crazy. So that was a little bit about my experience. And then as a point of reference, I was talking to my mother, and she lives in the States, and she just went in for just a cleaning, like just having her teeth cleaned, and she got some x-rays. It was $450 US dollars, like mind-blowing, like the price difference. And you know, we were talking to some other people in the States, and they're saying the amount of work that I had done here that I paid $750 for would have been anywhere from 10 to 12,000 US dollars in the States. Like, that's just crazy. So, you know, you could literally pay for your entire vacation, come here to Guatemala, stay for a month, come here to Utopia, hang out in Antigua, go get all your medical and your dental work done, and you would still save money. So, so that's just one example. Apart from that, like I said, you know, I've actually done rejuvenative stem cell therapy here in Guatemala, and it was great. My mom's had the treatment done a couple times as well. I know several people that have had gastric bypass surgeries done here in Guatemala, and it's like been life-changing for them. Knee replacements, hip replacements, and like I said, it's all first-class facilities with quality doctors. If any of this sounded interesting to you, please reach out to us and we can put you in contact with one of the medical facilitators we work with in the city, and they'll be able to put you in contact with the right doctor to fit your needs. So anyways, we really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found any value in it, or you know anyone that this video could help, please share it with them. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you soon.